Now let's talk about part three. So in my previous videos, you saw that I spoke to you and told you about what you need to study from part one and part two to prepare for your TOGAF 10 foundation exam. Now I'm going to talk about part three. And I hope this is helping you guys to focus on a very structured learning. Okay, so let's talk about part three. What is part three? Part three is ADM techniques. Now, in ADM techniques, you should know how to describe how the ADM and supporting guidelines and techniques relate to each other. You should be able to explain the purpose of architecture principles, recommend template for architecture principles. And see, this is something where I'm just talking about what you need to study. Definitely, you need to understand the concept as well. Because if you're not understanding the concept, just reading the book will not help you to apply the knowledge later on when you want to practically apply it. So you really need to understand the objective of my video to ensure that you all understand that what you need to focus on in terms of your self-learning. Okay. What makes a good architecture principle? Just like you have characteristics of a good human being, what makes a good architecture principles? Explain business scenarios, purpose of gap analysis, explain interoperability and how it is used, in ADM. Then we also need to know that how we can explain business transformation readiness assessment and where it can be used in ADM. Lastly, you should be able to explain the characteristics of risk management and where it is used in ADM. You all know where exactly you need to look into this information. ADM techniques, you can see that in the fundamental content. and you can read about all these topics and prepare for your exam. All the best. Take care.